Hello and welcome to WFL TECtalks. Today's episode is all about WFL Health Check. Stay tuned. Welcome back to WFL TECtalks. The WFL Health Check focuses on safety and reliability, which above all makes the overall condition of a MILLTURN visible. The health check ensures optimal performance through preventive maintenance and checking the machine geometry. With automatic measurements and measurement data logging, this software or hardware offers an efficient solution which can be used on all MILLTURNs. This means you achieve the highest level of accuracy and productivity for your manufacturing process. Christian Jagersberger is going to tell us more about the health check. Welcome. Chris, why is the WFL health check so important?
The WFL health check is important because it's a method of semi-automatically checking the machine geometry in a very quick and easy manner. We can semi-automatically measure all precision critical components of the machine, like the turning boring milling unit, the main drive, the counter spindle drive, or a tailstock, with one standardized probing routine. And this allows us to keep a record of that and compare these records over time.
How does the WFL health check work and which machine components are checked?
So the procedure is as follows, following. So first of all, we have this measuring probe on a magnetic holder that you put inside the machining area. This is the manual operation when it comes to the health check. So then with this automatic probe, with this probe inside the machining area, we first of all check the geometry of the turning boring milling unit. So we go and we check the B-axis alignment, we check the run out of the turning boring milling unit spindle. After that, we take a measuring probe that is already usually in the machine, and we calibrate that measuring device against a ring that is also on the same magnetic holder to ensure that the probe feeds back accurate results. And then we use, for example, a grinded bar, an artifact that is clamped inside the machine in order to check the alignment of the main drive as well as the counter spindle drive, or the alignment of the main drive to the tailstock. And all of these measuring results are recorded. We can record up to 57 measuring results that we can use in the logging tool to compare to previously measured results. So we can immediately see a deviation in between the machine as it was a week ago, a month ago, and the actual status of the machine.
So, and when should the health check be carried out?
In general, a health check can be carried out after every incident in the machine that is not normal, so to say. So we could say after a crash, of course, but also, for example, after an insert break. If you have a large insert breaking during a machining operation, you could easily check your turning boring milling unit, your B-axis alignment, before you go on with machining.
And which benefits do you have with the WFL health check?
Well, in my opinion, the biggest benefit is that you keep a long-term record of the geometry of your machine. So you have the possibility to compare previous measuring results with actual measuring results, yeah, and hence see a trend over a certain period of time of your machine geometry. Yeah. I think another big benefit is that you can quickly check the machine, for example, before you put a very large workpiece in the machine, for example, where you have several hundred running hours. Yeah, you want to gain confidence, you want to gain trust into the equipment. So basically, you check the machine geometry and make sure everything's in order before you start machining.
Are there specific application or industries where the WFL Health Check is most effective?
In principle, yeah, the health check solution as such applies to all of our machines as well as all of the industries that we work in. Yeah. Of course, certain industries have maybe more need for something like that, yeah, and where it would make sense maybe to do this more often. Yeah. In general, yeah, I think the main application is this frequent checking of the machine. Yeah, see how the machine evolves over time, so to say.
Chris, thank you very much for sharing your expertise on the WFL Health Check. Thank you for watching. We hope you tune in for the next episode of WFL Tech Talks.